our channel. I'm Elena.
I'm Isabella, and today we have our brothers with us.
Dominic.
And Joey.
As you can see by our title, we're going to be doing an episode of Cooking with the Booties. And if you're confused by that, our last name is Rigobuto, and a lot of people call us
Rigobuto!
A lot of people call us the Booties, the Butos, regular burritos. We got a lot of big names. So, Cooking with the Booties. We're cooking dinner for our mother, and her favorite meal
is chicken princess.
The chicken princess!
So we're making that. It's basically just chicken in a lemon sauce.
Lemon, white wine.
Lemon,
butter,
white wine, butter,
salt.
goodness. And we're gonna be making homemade pasta because we're Italian, so that's French. So first we're gonna get started with our pasta.
Flour in this
We want to make a volcano.
A volcano. Yeah. We're gonna put a big volcano here. Volcano.
Volcano action!
We need a cup, measuring cup.
One make a
I'm
bomb!
still holding this.
Where's the cup?
In dishwasher! Rigobuto!
They're not allowed to get our recipes.
Get some flour on that counter!
Okay, we're doing 2 pounds of pasta because we're fatties and we love our food and we love midnight leftovers of our food, so we make a lot of it.
Good.
Can you get those eggs ready?
Yes, they're right here.
Can you do it one-handed
That's
still?
unprofessional.
I might
In a
Try
professional
it.
kitchen, they don't want you to do that.
Dominic is the ambassador of his culinary academy at school, so he thinks he knows everything.
already here. Okay, let me just crack it a little bit more. Boom! Totally one-handed!
Yeah, some shells in there, but it's okay.
I
do
know.
that.
I tried to
So-
do it one-handed, didn't work out well.
Yeah.
Cracking an egg. See how it's done, Bella?
Well, I was trying to do one-handed, so...
Did you get Joey? Oh
No,
my
the
god!
whole eggshell in there! That's how it's
This was a
done.
competition.
That's how it's done.
How much salt?
Whole teaspoon.
Whole teaspoon.
Boom, best egg of the day.
I didn't get any shells in mine. And my yolk didn't break.
Good job, Dominic.
Alright, so now we're just mixing our eggs.
Wait, you're
Mix
now with bar.
Joey! Why would you
Oh
do that?
god!
My god.
Prepare the hole!
It's just
Just go
constantly
for it.
breaking.
Just go for it.
Just go for it. Just start kneading.
Oh my goodness.
Bella!
This is gonna turn out so bad.
Need! Joey, how do we need?
Donna?
I'm kneading.
If you're watching this, I apologize for just
Incompetence.
incompetence.
Keeping on, Bella.
Okay.
Mix the dry stuff in with the egg that's all over the table because we messed up big time.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the heck are you doing?
I don't know, man.
Ooh, hello. Ooh, mama.
See, it's... Oh my
It's
god.
not, you just need to pay attention.
Now we're gonna ruin both of them.
So they're doing no better than us. For
Ah!
a whole lot of
Oh my god.
Ah! Start eating it in!
We're professionals, guys. Don't you worry.
We know what we're doing. This is all part of the plan.
We're like
Part of the plan.
so Italian. We make homemade pasta for every
Mhm.
dinner. This is like slime.
Not really. I used to have an addiction to slime, but now I've gotten over that.
You know, she went to her classes, her talk groups, and she overcame her addiction.
I went to therapy.
Addicts Anonymous for slime.
We took her to SOA, Slime Owners Anonymous.
Yeah.
Work it.
Oh,
Thank
shake
you.
it, shake it.
We're probably all going to be like 300 pounds because we eat so much. Elena's really fat.
I know, she's like at least 300 pounds.
You guys are so dumb.
Like, have you looked in a mirror lately? This is a real workout.
Yeah, that's why old Italian ladies are so strong because they're making pasta every day.
Yeah,
those
God, they're so
muscles.
strong.
I think for our next episode, I want to do homemade pizzas.
Yeah.
We do homemade pizza a lot. It's like so good.
Yes,
So
so good. We make pasta a lot, but usually like our mom and dad do the dough. This is why we're not total professionals at this, but you know, we manage.
It's in your blood, really.
We're just like so Italian. It's like in our blood, you know? What are you doing? The other day, Bella was playing the Xbox Connect in her room. And she's a pretty small room and she's a metal loft bed. The only way it would work, she had to be standing right under the loft bed for it to scan her. So she's playing and all I hear is her like scream and start crying and I run in there and she's like, I hit my head on the bed!
I jumped so hard because I was really into the game. And you have to jump like super hard to get like the coins. And so I was jumping really hard and when I jumped it just didn't go right.
Bella's usually pretty weird and pretty crazy and funny, but in the past couple days it's been like 10 times more so. I think she might have a minor concussion.
I mean, my head does really hurt, but I just hit it on a metal bar.
You think yours is done?
That's perfection right there. We're done. They're still working.
Champion, God, champion, my
friend.
We'll keep on fighting. Oops, sorry. Look at this strip show, okay guys? Trash can's right there.
She didn't make it.
I made it! I actually didn't make it!
First try!
Woo, baby! Ours is already setting because we're ahead.
Because we're a boss.
We're the champions.
We are the champions.
My friend. Alright, you want to get something to eat? This is good.
Yeah, you like that? When in doubt, pinky out.
Are you eating leftovers?
I'm about to get a bowl of leftovers myself, man.
Honestly, I'm hungry too.
And we need it ourselves, by the way, if you're listening. If you're listening,
Give me my tea!
that's your tea.
I didn't drink all my tea.
My tea.
Kill him!
Dominic, did you drink all his tea?
I'm gonna eat all of his food.
Disgusting!
I think I'm gonna get some too.
This is my bowl.
Not anymore.
Ah! That hurt. That's my bowl.
Nope. Need twice the eating power.
Twice the heating power.
Ow.
Alright, turn.
Did you drink my tea again?
What were you doing? We're all in this together, one by one.
That is not the word. When in doubt, pinky out. Okay, wow, that actually is really good.
Some might say that's too good.
Too good for cool. I mean,
Too good for cool. Our dough
You're gonna want them in right.
is done setting. So we're gonna get to rolling, you know?
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
never stop. Never stop.
Don't stop, don't stop.
We work for our pasta. We use our cold, strong muscle. Lesson.
Big one. Oh man!
This isn't my big arm.
Welcome to the gun show.
Okay, well they get that pasta rolling. We are gonna get our chicken going.
If you make enough weird noises, you can claim that you speak another language.
What is that?
What's that? Great happen.
Her electric toothbrush just turned on.
Okay, that was really weird. That really scared me. I thought that like the shower was going off or something.
No, it's just our ghost.
My electric toothbrush is possessed.
Ah! Oh my
She
God.
did it to me the other day.
That is
I
weird.
was brushing my teeth for work and it just turned on right in front of me.
Who are you gonna call?
Who's going over there?
Oh, we're doing fantastic.
Oh, look at that spaghetti! You gotta show that off, man.
Yeah, show that off, man. Check this out.
Dang, son.
It's like angel hair.
That's some beautiful spaghettis right there.
Wow, I'm so happy.
Oh.
We've got about another hour and 2 hours under our belt.
No. Okay, meat gets tenderized. So we're gonna dredge our chicken, like flour and seasonings and egg, and then we're gonna fry it. So we need to get the flour and all that jazz ready.
It's the morning.
Uncooked pasta.
I ain't worried about same
I ain't
rule.
afraid of no ghosts other than my toothbrush.
I like oh.
The kitchen. Then go get
Whoop.
some more.
I'm just gonna. What?
Oh, because
Paprika. This way I can't really shake it that much.
Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Dang, that looks good.
Wow.
Now we need our egg wash.
Okay, I'll crack some eggs. Cracking some eggs.
Back to hers. Happens every time I cook.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Perfection. It's 7 o'clock.
We've now been cooking for
2 hours?
About
2 hours.
4 hours.
2 hours and like 20 minutes. But we will not give up. We will
Never.
push on for the sake of food and for our mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, all you mothers out
Mother's
there. Thanks for just being moms, you know? You do so much for us.
I want to wake up. Spaghetti time. It's about to get loud in here.
Spaghetti. Oh my gosh.
Okay, well, we
Goodbye.
broke our pasta maker. Don't do that. They need to be sliced in half. Yeah. But now we're gonna get started on the sauce and frying the chicken. We're all struggling a little bit. It's been almost 3 hours.
Yeah. A lot of the oil's gonna go off. Yeah.
I just got up.
Which one is that?
Get that hyper. Get that hyper off.
I haven't gotten the hyper yet.
I just want to eat and go sleep.
Okay, where's our one?
Our wine?
Where's our one?
I only have wine. You cook with wine, it's okay.
Yeah, just in case it was cool.
Oh yes.
Starting to fry the chicken up.
Heck yeah.
Looks mad good.
I'll start dumping some wine, some lemonade. You guys in the pan, getting that sauce going. It's gonna
Getting that sauce flow
be
going.
a blast.
The best.
It's gonna be a blast.
Look at that goodness.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
You got a close up of those?
What?
Beautiful.
Beauty. That is beautiful right there.
I'm in awe how big this is. Oh, I'm tired.
I know, me too.
I just want to eat.
I know, I'm so hungry. Only 2 more chickens to go. And then we finally get to eat.
By the way, that totally wasn't planned. Like, we're just in sync.
We're just like that in sync. Like,
I know.
we're just like connected, you know?
I know, our minds just are one. Word to your mama. Get that hyper. Get that hyper on. On.
And the chicken is finally done.
I almost forgot to boil water for pasta, which would have been tragic.
Yummy.
Delicioso.
Fire.
We've been here for 30 days. We're tired.
We're stranded on an island.
We're still in our kitchen actually.
And this has taken 4 or 5 hours now. Our brother has abandoned us. Don't know where he is. We think he was taken by the toothbrush ghost. We may or may not have needed some mother's assistance for the sauce to get it perfect.
Whoa.
Okay, well, whatever we try, my camera won't work, so we're gonna finish this off on my iPhone. Just putting the finishing touches in here.
This sauce is so good. Oh my gosh. Can't.
Okay, we're finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, good job. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we will see you on Friday with another video.
Smash that merch.